right, today we got Patricia's Jeep and we are going to be getting that detailed today. So we're pulling up into the car wash right now. Love car wash. Gonna get this thing washed up, take it home, and then surprise her at the airport with a detailed car. Let's go. Supercar Street Racing, Sunday edition. Here we go. It's got all the cool colors and all the cool fake ceramic coating sell points, but yeah, the Jeep's getting a wash, and then once we get back home, we'll figure out the interior. So loud. I like how they got red LEDs to make it look like it's hot while it's drying your car. That's awesome. And the dry cycle. All right, we're just gonna take this thing home to vacuum it and stuff inside the garage rather than sit out in the sun. Get the old Craftsman shop vac out at home and get this thing vacuumed out and detailed. But we'll get it out here on the road, dry it off real quick. We got Patricia's Jeep here in the garage, and my plan is to go ahead right here and right now and wipe down the outside and detail the wheels and tires for her. And you can see coming out of the car wash, there's a bunch of water spots and stuff. And then we will put some protectant on all of the plastic parts as well. And we'll go ahead and get that done right now, but we got to get the terry cloth towels and everything out to get this done first. So let's get that going. I'm going to go ahead and use these terry cloth towels, turtle wax, wax and dry, and then on the wheels and tires, the hybrid ceramic wheel and tire cleaner. And of course, I will put something down on the ground to keep my brand new floor from getting destroyed. That's the main ingredients right there, and all these towels right here. Go ahead and polish up the outside, do the glass with the invisible glass spray. Go ahead and detail this thing, and when she gets picked up from the airport in it, it'll be fire dog. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the whole Jeep with the turtle wax. We got the wax and dry here, and I'm going to go ahead and buff on and then off with a cleaner towel. All right, we have finished detailing the exterior of the Jeep. All I have to do now is just pick up my various rags and stuff. You can see we detailed and polished the whole thing and the wheels and tires. And we cleaned all the exterior glass. The next thing I'm going to do is open the doors and kind of clean the inside of the door sills and clean the windows on the inside with glass cleaner and then start the interior detail process. But you can see right here and right now the exterior came out really good. It looks 1,000 times better than it did. It's super clean. But now it's time to get busy on this interior if I can figure out how. I guess I'll go ahead and do the windows first on the inside and work my way from there. Somehow this top part folds up. I'm gonna go ahead and probably vacuum this out really good after I take everything out. Then pick the seat up and vacuum that part out. But I want to make sure I get the top of the seat vacuumed. But let's get the vacuum going, get this back windshield clean, get this back area done first. Okay, we are completely done detailing both the interior and exterior of the Jeep. Looks amazing. And I forgot one rag right there, but this is probably the best I've seen it look since it was brand new. And on the inside, we simply wiped everything down, vacuumed everything out, cleaned all the glass, and it came out like a brand new Jeep. Hopefully Patricia is super hyped when she gets off the airplane. You guys can see right here and right now, the Jeep looks good, and we did clean up everything. And when Patricia gets off the plane, we'll see how hyped she is for her polished Jeep. So yeah, the Jeep is all comfy here in the garage, and Patricia is probably an hour and a half out. And of course, the minute I plan something, this happens. It is raining with the sun out, which is strange. There must be a rainbow somewhere. But yeah, it's we got a good shower going right now, which that's fine too. Grass can get watered, but at the same time, I don't want to leave until the roads are dry. We did have rain in the forecast today, so this isn't surprising at all, honestly. But yeah, so I'm just waiting out the rain. I'm sure it's going to end here pretty soon because Florida. Yeah, this is one of those flash showers that will end here momentarily. There's blue sky right there, rain clouds right there, and we all know this will be over shortly. We'll wait 30 minutes, roads will dry out. All right, we're going to pick up Patricia from the airport, and of course, the road is wet, the trees are wet. I think the rain is over, not 100% sure, but it's definitely ruining the surprise, but the insides still fly. So let's go. We're just sitting on the side of the road, you know, no big deal, waiting for Patricia to get back. She's at the luggage thing, I think, and then we're gonna go to dinner. And I want Texas Roadhouse. I heard it was really good, and I'm kind of craving steak, so let's see what happens. All right, we are almost there. This guy right here is killing me, literally. I guess I better slow down because I'm speeding. So she said she's at the very end, so I will update you guys when we get there. Oh, I see her. I see her. She travels with dresses on. Like a nerd. That's definitely her. Looking like Prince reborn. What's up?
What are you doing? I'm scared.
We're recording you. You don't even notice yet.
I noticed that my Jeep is super clean. And that's what you
That's your present. I detailed the inside and the outside for you.
That's very nice.
All of it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm really tired, or I'd probably be jumping in the middle.
Okay, cool. All right, let's get your stuff in.